Bananza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.
1. Find the fan cam of your choice, or select the video that you want to edit. 2. Then, import the video that you screen record or selected on Vsco app and make it slower like this. Now edit the slow and fast on Capcut app. Capcut app helps us to make velocity edit. Using Vsco app helps us to make smoother slowed videos. 4. Using curve slow edit do like this up and down. 5. After that, put some overlay white and spice to overlay. Put some fade out on the white overlay. Make sure you put the white overlay followed by the beat. 6. Lastly, if you want to make it more high quality, use Alight motion and do this. What a wonderful world. Then export it. You are done.